And the race is on. Gallo de Arlo rushing up his Vermont top guy. Moving up by Drell is Una Mujer down on the inside Sir Henry. It's Gallo de Arlo, Vermont, Sir Henry, Una Mujer. In between runners racing fifth top guy. Lake his way. Ikaw, Banyaw, Touch of Gold. Racing on the outside Stormy Norman. While Douglas Paramore is running at the tail of the field by about 8 to 9 lengths of the leader. Back to the front runner, Una Mujer, Sir Henry, Gallo de Arlo, and Badral Vermont on the outside, rushing up top guy. And Stormy Norman on the outside as they race the last 550. Top guy, Stormy Norman on the outside, Una Mujer down on the inside as they race the final corner. Top guy by Alec and up Stormy Norman on the outside. Douglas Paramore on the further outside. Una Mujer down on the inside with the last 200 meters more to run. Top guy Una Mujer down on the inside. Vermont Touch of Gold at the center. Top guy on the outside by the Reds. Una Mujer Touch of Gold in between runners and nearing the finish line. Top guy by about 3 lengths, and finally top guy. Touch of Gold, Una Mujer, Vermont, Cabanyaw.
Very tough.